Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be discussing about different error detection techniques. So there are a total number of four detection techniques for us. One is parity check, second one is cyclic redundancy check, third one is two-dimensional parity check, and fourth one is checksum. Using these four, we can identify different types of errors that will occur. As in the last class we have seen, there are three different types. One is single bit error, second one is a multiple bit error, third one is a burst error. So to identify those errors during transmission in the physical medium, we are going through different kind of detection techniques, out of which the first one is a parity check. So here is an example to explain about parity check in a more beautiful way. So let us assume that we are transmitting data of 8 bits over here. I am transmitting these 8 bits from source to destination. So in here, in the data bits, if I see, there are total number of ones present are even number. There are 4 ones present over here which are even. So I will be adding one extra bit. In that extra bit I am mentioning the parity value. For example, if my data before it gets transmitted, if it is having odd number of ones, I'll add 0 at the end. If I have even number of ones, I'll be adding 1. That is depending upon the both sender and receiver. If you define the rule in such a way that if you're going to add 0 for even and 1 for odd, that is fine, but that must be made before a transmission begins. So here in this technique, you can simply transmit your data by just appending one bit. During the transmission, if any of these bits gets disturbed, for example, in the first MSB here, MSB over here is having bit 1. In this MSB bit, that is the most significant bit, if this bit turns to 0, then total number of ones present in this byte will be odd number. So if it is odd number, then obviously the last appended bit must define an odd number. But actually we have sent even number of ones, so the parity is 1. When the transmission error makes it into a different count, then this parity bit will define that an error occurred during the transmission. We are not dealing with the position of error, or we are not dealing with which bit got disturbed, but we are identifying that an error occurred. And here let us assume if you are transmitting the same data and first two digits, like first two MSBs, these two digits or bits turn to 0, one turn to 0 as well as this also turn to 0, then the transmission data remains with even parity, and this also says that even parity, and the data will be accepted, which means this kind of error detection techniques will works fine with 1 bit error only. If more than 1 bit error occurs, then this will not catch up. That's a disadvantage of this technique. So in the next type of error detection techniques, we will see how it will catch the multiple errors.